हजारों लोग, ना सिर्फ हम जो दिल्ली में बैठे हुए हैं, फील्ड में हजारों लोग इस कार्य में लगे हुए हैं, और लोगों ने मिलकर और सरकार ने कई सारे ऐसे कदम उठाए हैं जिसने ये सुनिश्चित किया है कि इन दीज 30 days we remained more or less stable, and that is the first thing that I want to bring before you. And one of the critical tools, एक अहम हथियार जो हमने इसमें इस्तेमाल किया है, वो टेस्टिंग। और when I say testing, it is RT-PCR टेस्टिंग, जो हमें बताता है कि मरीज को बीमारी है या नहीं है। अब अगर हम टेस्टिंग को देखें तो मैं सिर्फ एक आंकड़ा आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत करना चाहूंगा। 23 मार्च को हमने पूरे देश में 14,915 टेस्ट किए थे। On the 22nd of April, we have done more than 5 lakh tests. If you do a rough calculation, it is about 33 times in 30 days. But we are conscious of the fact that this is not enough, and we have to continuously move ahead and ramp testing in this country. We will continue to do that. हमने ये भी देखा है, और श्री अग्रवाल ने भी बताया, कि इस अवधि में हमारे नंबर ऑफ पॉजिटिव केसेस में भी बढ़ोतरी हुई है, और हमें उस बात को ध्यान में रखना है जब आप अपनी टेस्टिंग स्ट्रैटेजी बनाते हैं या हॉस्पिटल की स्ट्रैटेजी बनाते हैं। तो मैं संक्षेप में कुछ चीजें आपके समक्ष रखना चाहूँ, सो दैट वी आर एबल टू अप्रिशिएट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, एंड ऑलवेज कीपिंग this at the back of our mind, that this may not be enough and we need to continuously work to do more and more on this. Let us look at this. This shows the figures of these 30 days and how the number of daily tests have gone up and how the new positives have gone up. So this is where we stand today, what we've been doing, and what we've been trying to achieve. Let us now move a little further on this and see how cases have moved in India. This is how the positive cases have moved in India. The only point that I would like to make here is that the growth has been more or less linear, not exponential. What that tells us is that there are certain strategies and work which has helped this be contained to a particular level. Now let us move on to see beyond this what has been the story of positivity to testing during these 30 days. If you see this slide carefully, what it will really tell you is that during this period, we are more or less, लगभग हम उसी जगह पर हैं जहां हम एक माह पूर्व थे, यानी स्थिति बहुत बिगड़ी नहीं है। लगभग 4%, 4.5% लोग जो टेस्ट हुए थे वो पॉजिटिव निकले थे एक माह पहले, और अभी भी लगभग वही स्थिति है कि जितने लोग टेस्ट हो रहे हैं उसमें से जो प्रतिशत पॉजिटिव हो रहे हैं लगभग वही हैं, यानी कि हम एक कांस्टेंट लाइन अगर आप इसको देखें तो वहां पर हैं। अब मैं इससे आगे बढ़ता हूं और हम ये देखने का प्रयास करें कि अन्य देशों की तुलना में हमारी क्या स्थिति है। It's a rough comparison. There can be no one-to-one comparison. Each country is different and each country needs a different strategy. But this is roughly a rough comparison that we have presented before you. What I would like to point at is this yellow line, if I can get my pointer there. Right at the bottom, that is India's story. And we have deliberately taken a case of 400th case on 23rd of March. what was the position when each of these countries had 400 cases and how they have moved beyond that. So this slide clearly tells us where we stand, and if you see, one of the countries which is, of course, done better is South Korea. But majority of the developed countries have had a story which is, it could be a combination of various things. This is not to say that we've done extremely well and things are going, but this is the current story. And based on this current story and the future projection, we need to evolve a strategy in this country. Let me also now just mention to you, while we are here on this slide, the fact that how has it happened in some of the other countries. So let me give you some numbers of that. If you look at the figures carefully, we are today at a 500,000 mark. 5 लाख टेस्ट हमने आज किए हैं. यूएस ने 5 लाख टेस्ट 26 मार्च को किया था. They had found 80,000 cases to be positive. I'm giving you rough numbers. इटली ने ये मार्क 31 मार्च को किया था, and they had 100,000 people who were positive. 1 लाख लोग थे. यूके में ये समय 20 अप्रैल को आया, and they had 120,000 positives. टर्की में ये समय 16 अप्रैल को आया, they had 80,000 positives. इंडिया में ये मार्क 22 अप्रैल को आया और हमारे पास लगभग 20,000 पॉजिटिव केसेस थे. कहने का तात्पर्य यह है कि एक अगर वैश्विक तुलना हम करें तो वी सीम टू बी डूइंग वेल so far with our strategy which is focused and very, very intensely focused on the areas where we see a lot of positivity and action happening. Of course, there are other countries which have done better. For example, South Korea has done better than this. So, given these facts, these actually, what do they show? These show that our testing strategy has been focused, targeted, and continues to expand. So that is the strategy. And this, I must say, is an evolving strategy.